Hello everyone, I am Garima Somani Mundra. I know buying a home itself is a big achievement, but real struggles comes after that, designing the home. For that purpose, I started this YouTube channel to help people, guiding them what things they should add or they should not in their abode through some practical experiences, through home tours of different people. For this I thought why should not start with my own house. So without any further delay, let's go. Me and my husband both are travelers and our kids especially like the beaches the most. So we got this nameplate in beach theme. Let's get inside. So we decided Ganpati ji should be there at the entrance so that anyone who is entering the house feel blessed. It's a stone cladding. This one is single stone and the border is consist of various tiny stones. There is a rule in our society that we can't place churik outside in the foyer area. So we planned accordingly and placed this small churik inside the house itself with this partition. So this partition is separating the entrance and the living area so that whoever is standing at the entry gate can't see inside the house completely, which is good. This is our living room. This divan setup I made recently, which turned out to be great makeover of this living room. It's the coziest place with the best view. Yes, the lake view. Our house is lake facing. It's crockery unit. This one is to detox our body. We are trying different flavors with it. This is Puja Ghar. We do prayers over here. This one is tree of life with birds on it. It has some deep meanings. It symbolizes growth, stability, strength, calm, tranquility, knowledge, and a lot more. This is our kitchen. We try to keep more storage over here because we don't have any extra storeroom. So yeah, and this tall unit we kept at some distance so that ventilation will be proper and also the sunlight will not get blocked. And this window can also be easily accessible. The view from here also is amazing. We didn't make any changes in the sink and slab. These were provided by builders only. So we thought let's use it for some time and if required we'll change it later. So yeah. There are some special moments with our family. We both comes from big joint families in Rajasthan. Yes, we are Rajasthani. This one is guest bedroom. This is kind of small library. We all love reading, but my husband is a regular reader. This one is game zone for our kid. So he do different activities over here, play games. Ours is 3 BHK with 3 toilets. 2 are attached to the rooms and one is this common washroom. So here we kept one cabinet over here, so that we can keep all the products inside and it will not look cluttered. This is our master bedroom. We designed it to feel closer to the nature. Therefore we chose the laminates, the wallpaper, the blinds accordingly, which resembles more to the nature. This is the study table and this is the place where I get ready. This room we designed for our son and he is too young to sleep alone for now. He sleeps with us only. So for now it's guest bedroom and this is study table, bed and the cupboard. And this one is to measure his growth. And whoever stayed here mentioned the best part is its ceiling. Just lying down over here and gazing over it, अलग ही ट्रिप हो जाती है.